Grater can be used on a cutting board, plate, or other flat surface, as well as any size bowl for neat and easy grating. The soft, comfortable handle and non-slip feet make this multi-grater safe and easy to use. 2 stainless steel grating surfaces allow for coarse or fine grating. The multi-grater folds to store neatly and compactly in a drawer. You can also remove the side panels for grating over a bowl or for cleaning. The entire grater
Put a creative spin on your meals with the Chefman Electric Spiralizing Combo Kit. You get 3 blade styles, spiralize, ribbon, and grate. Equipped with a powerful 300-watt ultra-quiet motor, this spiralizer and immersion hand blender quickly purees sauces, mixes beverages, spiralizes vegetables, and more, making gluten-free, low-carb, and creative meals with
The Rubbermaid Power Scrubber cleans up to 2 times faster than manual scrubbing. This hard-working tool delivers 60 scrubs per second to clean all those hard-to-reach places. 2 interchangeable accessory brushes give you the right tool for the job. The all-purpose scrubbing head is useful for tight spaces. The grout head is ideal for grout lines. The Rubbermaid Power Scrubber cleans up to 2 times faster than manual scrubbing. See how easy it is to get the cleaning job done with this powerful cleaning brush. Great for the bathroom and the kitchen.